What if I told you there's a skill in 2025 that doesn't require coding, takes minutes to learn, but could 10x your productivity, boost your income, and even land you a job with a 6-figure salary? It's called prompt engineering, and it's the secret language that unlocks the true power of AI. Whether you're a creator, student, or tech professional, this is the one skill you can't afford to ignore. What is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is the art of talking to AI in a way that gets exactly what you want. Think of AI as a powerful assistant. If you mumble or give half-baked instructions, you get nonsense. But with the right words, you get magic. It's not just about asking questions. It's about setting roles, giving structure, and guiding the AI's thinking. Let's see how ChatGPT responds to a poor prompt and a smart prompt. Ask, "Tell me about climate change." See the answer. It is detailed. ChatGPT is trying to add everything together. This is not bad. If you want it for general knowledge, this could be great. But if you want the information for a very specific task, this will not help. Let's ask differently with a smart prompt. Act as an environmental policy analyst. Summarize the top 3 causes of climate change in under 150 words, citing recent data. See how ChatGPT responds. Precise, powerful output. Why it pays in 2025? In 2025, companies are hiring prompt engineers the way they hired software developers in the 2000s. It's not just about writing prompts. It's about saving time, enhancing productivity, and optimizing outcomes. Freelancers sell premium prompt packs, creators automate content, and businesses embed prompts into workflows that save hours daily. How prompts work. AI doesn't understand in the human sense. It predicts. Every word you feed it is part of a puzzle. That means clarity, context, and constraints matter. Just like coding has syntax, prompt engineering has structure. Let's see how a well-structured prompt can transform a simple sentence. I wrote, "Act as a resume expert." Rewrite this summary to sound confident but humble, under 50 words. I worked in data entry for 3 years and helped with analytics. See what it generated. Experienced in data entry with 3 years of hands-on work. Contributing to data accuracy and supporting analytics efforts to improve insights and decision-making. Prompting frameworks. Here's a simple but powerful formula. Role, task, context, format. Let's try an example. You are a productivity coach. Give me a 5-day plan to reduce distractions while working from home. Bullet points only. Want more control? Use few-shot prompting. That means showing examples first, so the AI mimics the style. Let's try that with 2 examples. You are a tech writer who creates tweet-sized updates on recent AI news. Match the tone, style, and brevity shown in the examples below. Keep it under 280 characters. Here are 2 examples. Now write a tweet about this update. Meta's Llama 3 is now integrated into WhatsApp, enabling real-time AI replies inside your chats. Here is the response. Meta just brought Llama 3 to WhatsApp. Now your chats can get real-time AI replies. Smart, fast, and right where you talk. Prompt chaining is another technique you can use where you break down a complex task into a series of smaller, logically connected prompts. Example. Step 1. Summarize the article. Summarize the following blog post in 3 bullet points. Keep it factual and concise. Step 2. Turn summary into a catchy headline. Based on the bullet points above, write a compelling blog headline that would make tech enthusiasts want to click. Keep it under 15 words. Step 3. Write a tweet to share the post. Write a tweet promoting this article. Make it catchy, under 280 characters and aimed at curious tech enthusiasts. Making money with prompts. People are building businesses on prompts. Some are selling prompt packs on Gumroad. Don't forget to check our prompt ebook too. I will share the link in description. Others are automating their workflow, turning long documents into emails, blog posts, even video scripts. Want to take it to the next level? These tools will help. Flow GPT and Prompt Hero for discovery. Prompt Perfect to refine your input. Custom GPTs to build your own AI assistant. You're not just prompting, you're engineering powerful micro tools. Here's how you can master this. Practice daily. Challenge yourself with real-world tasks. Follow free guides at learnprompting.org. Build your own prompt vault, Notion, Obsidian, anywhere. Join Discord communities or Prompt Base to learn from others. Prompt engineering isn't a fad. It's literacy for the age of AI. Learn it now, and you won't just keep up, you'll lead. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video insightful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Our next episode is coming soon, and you won't want to miss it.